Hello and welcome to Nurture Academy. Today we are going to learn about cross product or vector product of two vectors. There are one or two points before we start to learn cross product. Number one point before we start to learn cross product, you have to remember that whenever we do cross product of two vectors, the answer, whatever answer comes, should be a vector. That is why it is also called vector product. So the answer will contain direction. For example, we are taking here two vectors, a vector 2i cap, 3j cap minus 4k cap, b vector 2i cap, 5j cap, 6k cap. I, j and k are x-axis, y-axis and z-axis component of the vectors. And we want to find A cross B. Remember, when we are trying to find A cross B, the direction will be one way. But when we are trying to do B cross A, it will be opposite. So we have to be very, very careful before we start doing the cross product. Easiest way of doing cross product is, first you will write it in the matrix form. How will write in the matrix form? On the top, you give three components of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. You write it. Now corresponding to I cap, since we are doing A vector cross B vector. So corresponding to I cap, we have here 2 in A. So we'll write 2, and corresponding to J we have 3, and corresponding to K we have minus 4. So you write minus 4. And corresponding to vector B, we have plus 2, and then we have plus 5, and we have plus 6. The formula used to do the cross product is known as 2, 3, 1, 2. How we apply that? Supposingly, the first column we call it as 1, the second column we call it as 2, and the third column we call it as 3. And as I said, formula used is 2, 3, 1, 2. First we have to only consider column number 2 and column number 3. Now see correctly how we will multiply. Always go this way. 3 multiplied by 6, 18 minus, now we go this way. And minus 4 multiplied by 5 is actually minus 20. So whole thing we will mark it like I cap. Then we go plus. The next two columns I am supposed to consider is column 3 and column 1. But 3 is here, 1 is not there. So again the easiest pick is that, how about we just rewrite column number 1 behind 3 like this. Now again we will multiply the same way as we go. First this way, minus 4 into 2 is minus 8, and then 6 multiplied by 2 is minus 12 into j cap. Then we go plus. The last two columns I have to consider is column number 1 and column number 2. So you go 5 2s are 10, minus 3 2s are 6 into k cap. Okay, so our final answer would be 18 plus 20 into I cap plus minus 20 into j cap plus 4 into k cap, or 38 I cap minus 20 j cap plus 4k cap. Notice the answer very much contain direction. How about you guys try the next time B cross A? And if you guys try B cross A, I'll give you hint before you guys try it. For trying B cross A, what you guys are supposed to do, you have to write vector B on the top and A on the bottom. See, corresponding to B, we have 2, 5, 6. Corresponding to A, we have 2, 3, and minus 4. Apply 2, 3, 1, 2, and you get the answer. You will notice that answer will be exactly minus of this answer. So thank you very much for watching this video. For many more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.